7 tonight for the people who had to abandon their cars during the worst of the storm. The next step is tracking where it is. 7 News reporter Chrytsia Williams breaking down how the process works.
Following a historic blizzard here in Buffalo, car cleanup is underway, and it starts with a tag that looks just like this.
I swear I almost felt like I was going to die.
Veronica Maslanka, now reunited with her car that she had to abandon during the blizzard.
I was stranded around like 6 other cars around me, so there was no way for me to go forward, no way for me to go back. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't see in front of me, behind me, and I was just praying, although, Jesus Christ, don't let me die this way.
She tells me finding her car here at Cheektowaga Town Park was a breath of fresh air. Cheektowaga police say they've taken around 300 cars to one of the 4 lots near the park. New York State Court Officer Charles LeCount's car was among them. He too had to leave it behind and walk to safety.
It was freezing, couldn't see anything. Most of that walk was walking backwards. I've never been through anything like that. It's like some stuff you see on a movie or something.
If you abandon your vehicle in Cheektowaga, Chief of Police Brian Gould says you can go to cpdny.org and search using your license plate number.
What do you say to those people that may not have found their car yet or are having trouble finding their cars?
So at this point, we just, hope that everybody's patient and trying to find their cars. We're doing our best to make it as publicly available of where your car might be. And if anybody has any questions, they can always call our dispatch and we'll see if we can help them through it.
Chrytsia Williams, 7 News, Cheektowaga.
Cheektowaga, Amherst, and Erie County have websites listing vehicles that have been towed. You find links to those sites on WKBW.com. Anybody looking for an abandoned vehicle in the city of Buffalo should call the nearest Buffalo Police District where that vehicle was left stranded.